To get this, everyone tap in, let's see you at 21. Sticker on Instagram. First open Instagram. Now go to search option and search for Add Yours Extra. Now click on the first profile you see. Now check the story. Here you will find this sticker. If you don't find this here, you can check my Add Yours Highlights 20. You will find this here. Now click on Add Yours and add photo from gallery. Now place the sticker and then click on your story to upload your story. You can check my other highlights for more stickers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.